How to enable dark mode on Walmart app. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step on that. So when you open up Walmart application and log in into your account and go to the account section or look out for settings within a Walmart application, Walmart app does not have a native dark mode setting. So if you would like to achieve a dark mode experience on the Walmart app, you will need to enable dark mode at the system level. For that, head over to devices settings, open it up, and then once you open it up, you may just go over to the option called display, tap on it, and from display go over and select dark mode like this. And once you select dark mode, when you head over and open up the Walmart application, you should be finding the changes. You can just refresh the app for that and open up Walmart again, and when you do that, you should be able to enable dark mode on Walmart application, and that's it. So you may follow up this method if you would like to enable dark mode on Walmart app, which is pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.